Whether taking a lengthy road trip, camping expedition, sailing excursion, or enjoying a remote retreat deep in the woods, keeping one's electronics charged while on the go remains a serious challenge nowadays. One eco-friendly alternative for dealing with such problems is using portable solar panels, which are not only much more lightweight and mobile than typical in-home solar panels but also have become more affordable and efficient over the past few years. So in this video we will discuss 5 best portable solar panel for camping. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Jackery SolarSaga 60. Solar panels for camping have to hew a fine line between being compact enough to store on the go, but stable enough to withstand the elements. What impressed me most about the Jackery SolarSaga 60 during testing was how easy it was to set up, and once I had it set up, it just stayed put, unruffled by wind or me knocking into it as I fiddled with the other units. Like the other solar panels in this test, it does need to be protected from rain. Once set up, the SolarSaga 60 did an excellent job powering my devices. Even when the weather was cloudy, it charged my smartphone to 5% in 5 minutes. Unlike the more expensive Anker 625, however, it struggled to power 2 devices when plugged in during cloudy conditions. Because the SolarSaga 60 consists of 2 panels with 2 kickstands, it was the easiest large panel in my test to put away, simply folding up like a book with a magnet securing the edges together at the handle. If you need a high-power device that is simple to use, this one is hard to go wrong with. Number 2. Go Power 130W Portable Folding Solar Kit. For recreational vehicles specifically, the Go Power GPPSK 130W Portable Folding Solar Kit is an absolute beast. Much heavier than most, 28.7 pounds, it will give RV drivers who need an extra boost of power all they need in the remotest of areas. Thanks to its 10 amp solar controller, the portable panel can generate 6.9 amps of direct current per hour, ensuring the utmost efficiency wherever the RV is taken. Even more beneficial, the panel comes with a 25-year SAE and amp, XLR-style solar plug adapter, a carry case, and a digital screen on the solar controller to track power usage. With self-standing panels that can also be folded for easier storage, the GPPSK 130W is a godsend for RVers in 2022. Number 3. TopSolar SolarFairy 100W Portable Solar Panel. When it comes to the smallest and most portable foldable 100W solar panel on the market, consider the TopSolar 100W option. Weighing just 5.1 pounds, the panel is small enough when folded to fit inside a person's backpack or car trunk, allowing them to stay on the go without losing their connection to the outside world. With 2 USB ports and compatibility with 19V devices to accommodate the best gaming USB and Bluetooth speakers, the SolarFairy 100W can be used to charge phones, tablets, cameras, laptops, GPS, AC/DC converters, and even power tools. With weatherproofing and short-circuit protection as well, the SolarFairy can also charge 12V car, boat, and RV batteries. Number 4. ECOFLOW 110-160W Portable Solar Panel. For those who need the best portable solar panel specifically tailored for camping trips, the ECOFLOW 110W or 160W is the way to go. Mobile, reliable, and strong enough to power cameras, phones, lights, portable speakers, and other key camping devices all at once, the 4 foldable panels weigh roughly 9 pounds altogether and come with a carry case that doubles as a kickstand for easy setup anywhere. In addition to boasting a 23% solar efficiency conversion rate, what really makes the ECOFLOW so ideal for camping is its IP68 waterproof and dustproof score, which is sure to keep every camper's devices charged even during torrential downpours. Number 5. Dokio 160W Portable Foldable Solar Panel. For those in need of more than 100W of power but still want an affordable option, the Dokio 160W Portable Foldable Solar Panel is a great option. For twice the cost of the NUPUA 100W, $170, techies can receive an impressive 160W through a foldable 9-pound panel backed by a 10-amp monocrystalline controller that includes an LCD display for easy monitoring. The kit is also compatible with 12V electronics and comes with a USB port that can be paired with 5V devices like iPads and smartphones. While the Dokio 160W lacks a kickstand and needs to be manually propped in front of the sun to work optimally, it's hard to find another portable solar panel in 2023 that generates as much power for such a fair price. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.